Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Medicines for Life. In this video, I will explain about the 5 things you must know about vaccines. There are 5 commonly asked questions about vaccines. The first one is, what are vaccines? How do they act, or how does it work? A vaccine typically contains an agent that looks similar to infectious microorganism, and it is often made from weakened or dead form of microorganism, its toxin, or one of its surface proteins. Examples for vaccines: most commonly used vaccines like polio vaccine, chickenpox vaccine, MMR, tetanus toxoid, and TB vaccine. How does it work? A vaccine works by training the immune system to recognize and combat the pathogens, either viruses or bacteria. To do this, certain molecules from pathogens must be introduced into the body to trigger an immune response. These molecules are called antigens, and they are present on all viruses and bacteria. The second question is, who discovered it and when? The vaccine was first discovered by Edward Jenner in 1796 when he vaccinated a 13-year-old boy against vaccinia virus and demonstrated the immunity against smallpox virus. The third question is it safe to take vaccines? What are the precautions to be followed before taking a vaccine? Vaccines are totally safe in the recommended dosage. Vaccination is the most important thing we can do to protect ourselves and our children against ill health. As for NHS UK, vaccines prevent almost 3 million deaths worldwide every year. There are certain vaccines which are recommended even during pregnancy timing. Still, there are some precautions we need to follow. Moderate to severe illness with or without fever is the precautions to be followed before vaccine administration. The fourth question is, what are the different types of vaccines are available? Based on the route of administration, we have 2 types of vaccines. The first one is oral vaccine, for example, polio, malaria, smallpox, cholera, rabies. And the second one is injectable vaccines, for example, MMR, yellow fever, TT, hepatitis B vaccine. And based on the biology, we have 4 different types of vaccines are available. The first one is live attenuated vaccine. These vaccines use a weakened or attenuated form of the virus that causes the disease. For example, MMR and chickenpox vaccine. The second one is inactivated vaccines. These vaccines uses the killed version of the microorganism that causes the disease. For example, hepatitis A, flu, polio, and rabies vaccine. The next one is subunit recombinant polysaccharide conjugate vaccines. These uses specific parts of the microorganisms like proteins, sugars. For example, hepatitis B vaccine, pneumococcal disease vaccine, etc. The next one is toxoid vaccines. These uses toxins or harmful products made by the microorganism that causes the disease, for example, diphtheria, tetanus toxoid, etc. The fifth question is, what are the side effects of vaccine? There are some common side effects experienced by the people like pain, swelling, or redness where the injection was given, and others like mild fever, feeling tired, headache, muscle and joint pain was also experienced by the people.